Welcome back, family and friends, to the final part of this series, Part 4, The Future of Medicine. If you've been with me since Part 3, you'll remember the tough questions we asked. Has modern medicine, as we know it, failed modern man? Are there better ways for us to heal than just relying on prescriptions and chemical-based drugs? And most importantly, are we ready to step into a future where regenerative technologies and natural solutions work together for our health? Today, we're taking that journey one step further. Because along with breakthrough technologies like stem cell phototherapy patches and frequency-based approaches to healing, there's something far simpler, something we interact with every single day, that shapes our health more than we realize. And that is our food. You've probably heard the famous phrase, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food," attributed to Hippocrates, often called the father of medicine. Thousands of years ago, he understood what so many doctors today either don't talk about or don't prioritize. What we eat is our first line of defense for good health. But here's the shocking truth. Most of what's sold today as food isn't really food at all. I call these non-foods. They look good, they taste addictive, but inside, they are filled with chemicals. Yes, oil-based, petroleum-derived chemicals that do nothing good for our bodies. Think of your favorite potato chips, brightly colored candies, or those sugary drinks that fill up entire aisles in the grocery store. The oils used to fry, the dyes used for color, the preservatives to keep them sitting on shelves for months. All of these are part of a system that John D. Rockefeller helped create more than a century ago, when he worked to eliminate natural, plant-based medicine and replace it with petroleum-based, chemical medicine. And now, that same influence has shaped what we eat. But here's the good news. More people are waking up. More people are choosing to return to nature, to plants, to real food. They're also reaching for cutting-edge regenerative technologies, like the stem cell phototherapy patches that I use daily. These patches use body light and frequency to activate our body's own healing power, without pills, without potions, and without painful injections. When you pair emerging technologies like these with eating nutrient-rich, real food, you create a foundation for health that's far stronger than any prescription bottle could ever give you. Now let's talk supplements, because we know modern farming, pesticides, and food processing mean we often don't get the nutrients we need, even from the best foods. But here's where quality supplements, not drugs, step in. We're talking about essentials like vitamins A, B, C, D, and E, minerals like zinc and magnesium, green tea powder for its antioxidants, and even some not-so-well-known game changers, like methylene blue, which is showing promise in boosting cellular energy. These aren't synthetic chemicals designed to suppress symptoms. These are nutrients designed to support the body, to give our cells the raw materials they need to thrive, repair, and regenerate. Einstein once said, "Future medicine will be the medicine of frequencies." And Hippocrates reminded us, "Let food be thy medicine." Friends, the future of medicine is already here. It's in the regenerative technologies like stem cell phototherapy patches, and it's on our plates, with the real, living foods we choose every day. So I'll leave you with a question. If food can heal us, and frequency can regenerate us, why do we keep turning first to chemical solutions that often make us sicker? Isn't it time we start thinking differently about health? If this message resonated with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more series, and comment below with your own thoughts or questions. I'd love to hear from you. What foods have helped you feel better? And what questions do you still have about regenerative medicine and natural healing? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 1 of the next series about nutrition and detoxification.